beautiful crystals everywhere. Here's what's amazing. Like at one time, somebody tried to make this intentional, right? They built the stairs. And you know, it's actually the man-made part that I'm worried about. Nature, I can handle. That's what I mean. That's what I mean by frustration. The fact that it went up isn't enough. I want it to go up again.
Whoa. Good morning.
It's 15 till 8.
Today's a big day because we're switching hotels. It was always the plan. Where I wanted, season doesn't start till May 15th. I took this as an alternative. I took it as a consolation prize. It rates higher than I ever thought. I apologize. What's the name of this place? Skopelos Village. Yeah. Very good. Kudos. But look what's happening. Yeah. I'm going back. I have to pack up to go to the new hotel. I was gonna go out this morning. The time factor wasn't good. I was gonna fly the drone. I didn't know if it was gonna fly. The truth be told, I can sit here editing videos way too long. Yeah. And you know what happens? If I'm editing videos, I'm not outside filming. And eventually the you're not outside filming will catch up with there's nothing to edit. This, which is symbolism and a metaphor of how you have to keep your indulgences and the things that you like in check. You actually can't do the things you like too much. It doesn't work that way. It's like a drug. It will take over. Let's go. Let's go. Do not park here. Okay, well. It's only 10:20, so why don't we stop and have some breakfast? The hotel that we're staying at, today's their first day open. They can take me at 11 because check-in time, there's nobody there checking out. They've been boarded up for the entire season. And I've actually learned that there's a lot of places here on the island that are, I'm not sure they're opening up this season.
Thanks. Oh, look how good that looks.
Enjoy.
Thanks. Look what I was fortunate for, a vegetable egg white turkey omelet. Right. So it's 15 after 11. This guy says he couldn't make me a coffee because they have no electricity. So my hotel's around the corner. I'm posting an Instagram kitty video. You ready? I'm looking forward to this. Bam.